13 Pro Max. All right, so this is what we finna do. I'm gonna do a real quick unboxing of this, go over some specs, you know what I'm saying, that what you guys care about. Then next, I'm gonna run to the store and we're gonna look at all the cases for it and see which one is the best. So y'all let me know which one's the best that I should get, and let's do this thing. So all right guys, throw them things up for your boy. I got goals today, you got goals today. Thanks for watching, let's do this. All right, so first things first, we open it up. You get the phone itself. You get a USB Type-C wireless charger, and then you get some stickers. And that's pretty much it. No more headphones, no more headphones. So what I do notice is that when you first start it up and have everything running, it is a lot faster. You know, the usual when you first get a phone, everything's fast, everything's good, everything's cool. The camera's great. I do like the camera. The camera actually changes, so you see it, nice clear quality. But when you change positions, you can see the camera's changing to get a better look at it. You see it. It's the dials on the back, and also see that infrared right there. Just focusing, you know, trying to get the best shot, trying to get the best view of it. And I think that's awesome. I'm really a big fan of the new camera. It do stick out compared to the last one, but you know, that's fine. Hey, the better the camera, the better the quality is, you know what I'm saying? Next is the same as the iPhone 12 Pro Max if you already have it. The same square figure. Still have the 5G, and also again, you still see the infrared. Even in, you know, the front camera, it's still trying to focus. So the camera on here is just really, really nice. The camera on here is really, really nice. It's just trying to get the best focus, the best of what it can out of it. As you see, it's just trying to get that good focus. Great camera. Again, it has the new Apple chip. So we already know each year, once Apple upgrades its chip, we get better quality, we get better colors, and we get, you know, get brand new speed and brand new toys. So as a comparison to the iPhone 13 Pro Max or the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's very similar. 6.7 Super Retina XDR display motion with ProMotion. Again, another thing with the camera is that this time with the 13 Pro Max, you get cinema mode in 1080 at 30 frames per second. So you can go with that movie look, that movie feel, you know, when recording. So that's the difference between the 12 Pro Max, that's an upgrade. Next is the A15 chip versus the A14 chip, which is in the iPhone 12 Pro. You know, like I said, it's faster speeds. You have a new core, so it's now a 5-core versus a 4 core. And you get 28 hours of video playback versus the iPhone 12, which is, you know, been an issue with the battery in the iPhone 12 is the battery. So it goes up 8 action hours. And that's pretty much really the difference. You know, like I said, you just get an upgraded camera, get a better battery. Is it worth the upgrade? That's up to you. If you have a 10 or, you know, below that, it's definitely worth the upgrade. If not, hey, just get the 12. You get it at a great discount. You may not miss out as much if you're just going just for the phone purposes, but if you're gonna need it for the camera, you know, and possibly some better speed, you wanna go with the 13. But if you're satisfied with using the phone and using it casually, the 12 Pro Maxes will be your friend. All right, with that being said, let's go check out the cases, and here we go.
We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. time looking for the boss, yeah. And Dre had to bounce, yeah. Told me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Homie, fly you out the crib. Full speed, so for that Paris, told me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Homie, fly you out the crib. Full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce back, and getting bills. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of how I kept it real. Like sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, told me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Homie, fly you out the crib. Full speed, so for that Paris, homie, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Homie, fly you out the crib. Full speed, so for that Paris. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think you should reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I'm flying. Going out to Keiko, she can stay in my room.
Alright, so this is the end of the video. What do you guys think? What case do you think I should get for the phone? I do mess with that red one, and I do mess with that, it's like an orangey one. So what do you guys think I should get? Let me know down below. I had blue. You guys know I got the blue. I'm over it. You know, I want something different. I want something brighter, something that kind of stands out. So what do you guys recommend? What do you guys think I should get? I'm gonna go with something different. So next time you see my phone, you're gonna see something kind of radical. Actually, you know, I might even go on SD. You know what I'm saying? If y'all know some SD people, let me know down below, or shoot your stuff down below. You know what I'm saying? Shout yourself out. I'm gonna check you guys out. So let me know. Besides that, it's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. What do you guys think about the new iPhone 13 Pro Max? It's a cop or nah? Throw them things in for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. What do you guys think? You guys upgrading or nah? You guys got the phone? Let me know how you like it, how you feel about it. Did you like the upgrade? Was it worth it? And I'm out. Peace. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos.